The ENFPs are often seen as spontaneous, energetic, and imaginative individuals who are deeply in tune with their values and emotions. ENFPs are noticeable by their ability to see possibilities in every situation. They are original, independent, and open to differing viewpoints. This leads them to pursue a wide array of projects, driven by impulsive energy rather than concentrated willpower. They are tireless in pursuits that interest them, often struggling with routine work that do not engage their creativity or intellect. They spot abstract ideas all around them and often find unique solutions to mundane problems. They are quick thinkers, but their schedules cannot keep up. Hence, they start new projects without completing previous ones, which can be a source of frustration for both themselves and those around them. Their enthusiasm makes them effective communicators. That is why ENFPs excel in roles that involve interaction with people. They are drawn to counseling, teaching, the arts, and roles in sales or advertising. They are particularly good at handling diverse groups of people, making them natural leaders in environments that value human connection and innovative thinking. In relationships, ENFPs are usually warm and friendly. However, they can be judgmental due to their FI, which judges people based on personal morals. Due to this, they can make enemies out of people and can be hostile towards them. Similarly, they can also be too trusting of people who can harm them later on. Because of their high energy, they are more forceful than they realize. ENFPs also experience feelings of guilt and shame when they do not align with their ideal self-perception. These people often find joy in sharing their imaginative worlds with others, but they sometimes overshare, leading to feelings of embarrassment. If I may be blunt, ENFPs are unreliable people despite their plus points. As mentioned before, they often don't finish any of their goals and struggle with daily grind. Their dominant NE constantly needs new input, which makes them easily distracted. People often think they have ADHD because they are scatterbrained and impractical. They are also too idealistic and ignore harsh realities. Plus, their dislike for structure and rules makes them disorganized, inefficient, and prone to procrastination, often leaving behind a trail of unmet obligations. They need to strike a balance between openness and adapting to the unpleasant world. ENFPs are masters of trans-contextual thinking, able to connect seemingly unrelated ideas and concepts together to develop new ideas and point of views. Their dominant NE makes them quick to share their thoughts with the world, often before fully processing them internally, which can lead to a perception of randomness or abstraction in their ideas. This function helps ENFPs prioritize their values and emotions. They spend considerable time reflecting on their beliefs and how they align with their actions. This internal compass guides their decision making, ensuring they remain true to themselves. ENFPs often place a high value on being real and not fake in their relationships. TE helps ENFPs in organizing their external world and making efficient decisions. Though it is not their most impressive trait, this function allows them to troubleshoot problems somewhat effectively based on facts and logic. As their least developed function, SI represents a challenge for ENFPs. It relates to their ability to recall details from significant life experiences. ENFPs often struggle with work that require consistency and attention to detail, preferring to focus on big picture ideas and connections. However, as they mature, developing SI can help them become more productive and balanced. ENFPs are vibrant, imaginative individuals who bring energy and creativity to everything they do. While they face challenges in leading a stable lifestyle and doing detail oriented work, their intuition and strong value system guide them through life's complexities. Their ability to see potential in every situation makes them inspiring and engaging companions.